so I'm breaking hearts now. On your mark, get set, it starts now. Oh, you can't play with the list now, you know. You can't keep me out once you crack the door. Either join the team or especially nobody does it better than me.
They went dumb on that. They went crazy. Back to steering wheel. They went crazy with that color. Oh shit, it's Stunna Reese. Stunna Reese, where are you? Track. First time seeing it. First time seeing Drac. Went stupid. It's nice. All these is nice. Excuse me. Yeah, all these is nice. That's a 75 Caprice. The dump. This is nasty. Definitely a hit and not a miss. Definitely a hit. That went crazy. Stunna Reese, what's up, yo?
What up, bro?
I watch you all the time, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I seen it over first time seeing Drac.
Yeah.
Real nice. Real nice.
Yeah.
Real nice whip. Definitely good to see it in person.
Yeah, it's
I'm from
right?
Cincinnati. I hear you scream out Cincinnati, Ohio all the time.
I'll be there July 1st.
Okay.
Yeah, for the Midwest Explosion. I'll be in the building.
Yeah, you know one of the Camaros that somebody won off of CJ.
Oh, he out there?
Yeah, he from Cincinnati. Yeah, I be seeing him out there with it sometimes. He be having it parked for real. He don't even drive it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
He's trying to preserve that thing.
Right, type. It's like the lavish shit out there. Yeah. Yep. Good to see you. Yep. Man, they got all type of stuff. We go over here. Look like this black McLaren over here about to walk to. I ain't gonna lie, this shit lit, y'all. I've been seeing people that I only seen on TV. That's nasty. Said his name is Call for Experts. I ain't gonna lie, this shit for real. Man. I ain't gonna lie, this boy. Definitely. mansion. Man, it's all over. Everything all over. They got the chopper flying over the mansion. Hey! They got the police patrolling it and everything. Open up, boy. Got security and everything surrounded everywhere.